extra hours in the gym, running, jogging, and they don't get the results. Like when they go for intermittent fasting to the long hour fasting, like 24 hours fasting, some people do like that, even more longer than that. So even they can't lose weight. They lose up to certain time and then certain limit, and then they stop. They can't. There's the fats are stubborn, weight is stubborn. Like fasting will increase your autophagy or maybe your metabolism, and then your body will adjust to it and then stop. You add a little exercise, and then you will lose some, and then there will be a stop. So here is some. I'll explain point to point that how you can lose of your weight quickly but efficiently. If you're fat, that's okay. You should be fit. But if you're not fit, not okay. Even you're slim but not fit, not okay. So just remember the one thing: fat but fit, slim but not fit, not healthy. It's not good. So you should be healthy first. The keto food, also not 100% good. It's okay to start losing weight, but not for all, because you need sugar in your body. It's essential component in your body. You need sugar for your brain cells. You need sugar for your blood cells. You need sugar for your instant energy. So you should take sugar. At least 30% of your daily diet should contain sugar, at least 30%, but normally it is recommended that you should have 40%. I keep it 30%, and you should take 30% protein and or 40% protein, and then 30% of the fats. But in the fats, you should choose which kind of fat you want. So people normally choose to go with the oil, like extra processed industrial oil. It's not good. I think you can suggest I suggest you can take olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, or the ghee, that especially purified butter. The one homemade is best. 2 tablespoons may be enough for your one meal. It is much better than industrial oils. So that when you reach to a certain point when you cannot lose body fat anymore, so here is a point, then you should change something. When you feel your body, you are not losing weight anymore, stop fasting. Go back to normal diet for 1 or 2 days, or maybe a week, up to a week. Gain a little bit weight, that's okay. Trick your body cells, trick your body that you are eating normal, and then go back to fast again, and then you will lose another extra 2 or 3 kg, like in like a 2 or 3 weeks. You can do like a fasting like this, 4 days of fasting, 2 days normal. I always say, like, keep 1 day as a junk day. Let's say you take your Sunday as a junk day. You take junk, whatever you want, and do extra exercise that day. It will be enough. And add vitamins, multivitamins in your diet. Daily, take 1 pill of multivitamin. Any company, any good brand, okay. Multivitamins plus minerals. Because when you are on a fasting and you are on a keto diet, or you are on a low calories diet, you end up losing a lot of your minerals from your body, deficiency of vitamins and other essential nutrients. So that you must add multivitamins and minerals. So this will also increase your metabolism, and then you will lose some fats from your body. And when you are on a treadmill, don't run on a treadmill. The people do mistake. They start, like, when they go to the treadmill, they start running. Rather running, you can put incline and just go with the normal, like climbing mountains. Like, just go on climbing. If you cannot, if you don't have time to go to gym for a treadmill, just go upstairs. You have stairs. just walk upstairs every day. Like take like let's say you are staying on a 10th floor. Just take the stairs. That's easy. You lose faster than running on a treadmill. And also take your 1 day or 2 days for junk. Don't always stick to your keto plan. If you always stick to keto plan, I'm sure not losing. You're losing, but you're not fit. You're losing a lot of nutrients to your body. Another problem with the fasting you will have that your body, because you don't get enough food in your stomach, so whatever the food run through the stomach and the small intestine all get absorbed, and when it goes to the large intestine it absorbs again. So in this way you end up having severe constipation. You sleep in the toilet. So for that I suggest don't take any laxative medicine. Like there are a lot of laxatives, like people take this lactulose or whatever kind of lactulol salts, they're not good. They end up like they end up having this colon inflammation, and then may cause different problem with your large intestine and our colon. I recommend taking prune juice or direct natural prunes. Add your chia seed in your diet, or extra fibers in your diet may release your stool. But if you have a constipation, just take the probiotic supplemented prune juice will help you to release your stool. So I still go back to the plan that you should take 4 days dieting, 2 days no dieting. Whatever the plan you take, whatever the plan you have, a keto plan or the low-cal plan or whatever the plan you have, remember to stick to 4 days plan. 2 days for your junk, whatever you want to eat, or you take 1 day at least, and do it for a longer time, maybe 2 months, and then take 1 or 2 weeks for the cheat your body with the make your body to normal dieting habit, and then fasting again. Then you will lose. And do a little bit of exercise. A little bit of exercise you will lose. And don't take any medicine for losing your weight. They're all medicine. They have side effects. Do not take any medicine for losing your body fats. Also controlling your blood sugar. Like some people, they try to take this metformin or other kind of glucose lowering tablets. They're not good. They end up having your body end up having edema, especially in your brain. If you get your some kind of easy explanation, some water leak out in your brain, you might have the paralysis, or some you might lose your vision, or maybe some other problem. You may end up severe. I cannot say that, but remember, don't take any medicine, even the cholesterol lowering medicine, or the medicine for glucose, or some other like a protein killers or something. No. If you want to take medicine for if you're on you're a diabetic patient, that's okay, you can take, but still control your glucose intake, and then you will be all right.